the Parliament building of the Republic of Bangladesh, made and constructed by Louis I Khan. So today I have come to give you a short tour in the campus. This is very beautiful, and sometimes it is called the second Taj Mahal in the subcontinent. So let us make a short tour in the campus. I'm just now standing in the southern part of the buildings. You can see the buildings, very nice, constructive. We can go inside, but I can show you from the outside the beauty of the building. Let's see. Every day many people come here to visit. This is one of the greatest tourist destination of the people. They come here, especially in the evening. They come to spend their good times here. So I am showing the campus. Many people you can see there. They come here. This is the stage dedicated to Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, one of the greatest Bengali of the history. You can see many people are taking the pictures here. Every person want to take a snapshot here. Look, they are taking pictures and selfie. You can see the beauty. The birds are flying independently. Again, I'm showing you inside the campus. There's a huge amount of birds in the field. Can you see? Nature. Okay, let's move again to the. I'm going to show you other places. You can see there's a dock. This avenue called the Manik Bey Avenue, one of the greatest journalists of Bangladesh, who associate Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. This is the Manik Bey Avenue. Okay, all people you can see there. This is. You can see. Yeah, this is the nicest place in the heart of the Dhaka. Every evening people comes here to see and enjoy the moment. Okay, you can also the shops here, many child and playthings here. Hello. Okay, you can buy playthings for the children here. There are many things here. I'm going to show you the whole campus and the area. You can see. This is the actual beauty. Evening is the best time to watch this view. This is the nicest view from here, from the southern part. Okay. This is the nicest places. There's a banyan tree, and this is so nice. Under the tree, many people are standing here and taking a snapshot. This is beautiful. Look, this is the nicest corner. You can take the view. Yes, look, what a fantastic beauty is this. Sometimes people call it the second Taj Mahal in the continent. It's really. Okay, move on again. I'm going to show you the whole campus and area. Now I'm going to the western part of the building. Okay. Now I'm going to the western part of the building. I will show you from the back sides of the buildings. Now I'm in front of the buildings, and this is the front side actually. You can see very clearly the buildings from here. There's actually places here we can enjoy and recreation also. Look, there's many things here. The fantastic and nicest things here available. you can buy for your homes. My main purpose is to show you the buildings. That's why I'm again going to show you the buildings from here. You can see the complete building from here. Birds are flying on the sky. Birds are flying randomly, birds. It's very nice to see. Very nice to see. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's look back again. People are coming here too. Okay. Sun is going to be set after half an hour maybe, and I'm going to show you also the volunteer works undergoing here. You can see the Red Crescent volunteer team here. Hello. Red Crescent teams are doing the volunteer work there. Yeah, many kinds of works and different kinds of sorts of works are doing here. You can see the blood giving project here by the Red Crescent. Here also another shops of playthings of children. You can see this is the nicest one. You can see this is a good one, playthings of children. Someone singing there. Hey brother, can I take a video of you? Can I take a video of you? Can I take a video of you? Okay. Yeah, you can see different kind of people gather here in the evening, and some of one singing there. Okay. It's become a recreational places actually, so people come here to enjoy their good times here. People gather here with friends and with their well wishes. You can see different kind of things here. The sweet on air, you can say it's sweet on air. You can see someone playing, someone taking selfie, snapshot, someone eating, someone buying on the shops. I'm going to show you here another banyan tree. Actually, it's the nicest tree. You can look at the beauty of the tree. I'm going to the western part of the buildings now. Actually, you can see the beauty of the tree here. It's nice. Birds are chuckling here. You can see through the lips. You can see through the grill actually and gate from here. Okay guys, now I stop taking the video from the southern part of the buildings. Now I am going to western part and back side of the buildings. It is actually the back side is on the north side of the buildings, and I am going to that side now. So friends, this is the back side of the parliament. I have come here now. Back side means this is the northern part of the buildings. I have come. So I am showing you the back side of the buildings. Here you can see. I will show you all the roads along the buildings here. Over there, there is Chandrima Udyan, and in my back you can see the buildings. The back from the back side. Okay, this is the back side. I am going to show you all the part here. I am going to show you the whole part of the back side of the buildings. I'm going to show the Crescent Lake just beside the back of the buildings, and they were very fantastic looks. There you will be possible to see a boat floating on the lake, and I will show you. Just stay tuned with me, and I'm going to show you the lake that called the Crescent Lakes, and it will be fantastic to see through the lakes, the buildings. Okay guys, thank you for today. I'm going to finish my video. I tried to make a short video and short tour for the parliament building of Bangladesh, and I tried to show you all the campuses and perimeters from all sides, especially from the north side and south side. I tried to show you the video, and now from the back side and from the part side of the Crescent Lake, I'm going to take a hi, bye bye. See you again with the next video. Stay tuned with me and help me to make more video, and please like and share if you feel that I could give you something for watchable and informative something. Thank you. Stay tuned. From Bangladesh, Pintu.